Hi, my name is Nitinan and my teammates are Purik Prasad, Suprajar and Sai Kiran. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Python scripts of data cleaning and anomaly detection in a project improving data accuracy in CRM using AI. So we have taken the data from Kaggle. This is the dataset. So to clean this dataset, in data cleaning.py, we have imported the necessary libraries like pandas and fuzzy, which is a powerful library for handling and manipulating data in Python. So then the next step, we have loaded the dataset, that is in a form of CSV file. Then after loading the data, we are handling the duplicates. Then we normalize the email which are having uppercase letters or unnecessary spaces. Those are removed in this step 3. So after normalizing the emails, to standardize the phone numbers, we remove all non-numeric characters and even unnecessary spaces and dashes. After all these steps, the data will be saved in cleaned CRM data.csv form and it prints data cleaning is completed. Then anomaly detection. Even in anomaly detection, we import necessary libraries like pandas and isolation forest. Isolation forest is a machine learning model used for anomaly detection. Then we load the clean CRM data.csv which has been created in data cleaning.py. Then we select specific numerical columns that are relevant for anomaly detection. And then we create and train the isolation forest model in this step. And to save results, the data will be saved in anomaly detected.csv file and it prints anomaly detection is completed.
Myself, Suprajar. We have done a project on AI data model name correction using an AI, and its purpose is it cleans corrects CRM names using fuzzy string matching. Fuzzy string matching is a technique used to compare and find similar but not the identical strings. It helps to handle types, misspellings, and variations in text data. And the steps are as follows. In the first step, import required libraries. Import panda, fuzzy libraries. And in the next step, load the data set. We can add any CSV file which we want to correct. It can be as many much as entries. And in the next step, define a function for name correction. Here the function is defined and the name correction is done in this step. Apply correction to the name. The best entries is matched in this function. And in the next step, save the clean data set. If the true data set is saved and if the false, it will be terminated. And in the last step, print configuration message. Data correction is completed successfully.
We have built a simple Node.js backend that processes CSV files, identifies high value transactions, and returns the results in JSON format. Imagine if you are analyzing the financial transactions from a CSV file and you need to find high value transactions quickly. Doing this manually is time consuming. That's where our Node.js backend comes in. These servers automatically process CSV files, reads transaction amount, and flags transaction above 100, making financial analysis much easier. Now discuss about the working of this code. I'll explain this code in the easiest way. So the user uploads a CSV file using our backend. Then the server reads each transaction using CSV parser. If a transaction's total greater than 100, it is flagged. Then the server sends back a JSON response with a flagged transaction. Then the server runs in a localhost server. This is this is how the code works. Why this useful? It saves time by automating data processing. It helps in financial fraud detection and it is easy to integrate into other application. Now the conclusion. This simple yet powerful backend can process large amount of data efficiently, whether it's for business, bank, or analytics. This tool helps filter out high value transaction in seconds.
Hello everyone, I am Purvik. As my friend has already told about the server.js, that's the backend, now I'm going to continue with the front end. In the front end, we have used index.html. So here so we could upload CSV files. So users have to upload CSV files to get to have an visualization that is flat data in a table and a chart. So in the first step, we have to create an HTML form to upload CSV files. In this, we could see the body. This is the color which we have used. We have customized background or a dashboard in here. We could see the chart here. So chart contains the background colors that is you can see. Then next in the next tab, we have to handle form submission via JavaScript. So we have used document got element here in here. Then we have display flag transaction in a table that results in the flag data. Next, we have to generate a bar chart of sales data to have a visualization in our hands. Then, the final output of this front end is that a web page that allows a CSV uploads and displays sales insights. This would make the user very user friendly and make them easy to upload the CSV files and to have an easy work on it. npm I express Walter CSV parser course. So we could see here the terminal will lose, and we could see here there are 15 packages are looking for funding in a run npm fund for details, and there are zero vulnerabilities. So to host, we need to put a command node server.js. So this is our host. After we click that link in the terminal, we will get to this page. Here we could choose our file, which is need to be used. Let's see here, clean CRM. We'll use and upload here. Here you could see the analyze data visualization, like our total sales of our data. Get here the flag data, which are the issue for this data. See the whole thing, and we have here our data, say our visualization. That's a bar chart. Now, speaking about the cloud, we have used IBM Watson Studio workflow and a deployment process. So in this, the cloud is a cloud storage. So cloud storage we use for buckets to predefine and organize the data to be stored. So in cloud we have a resource list which acts as a catalog, contains all available datasets and models. So in cloud we basically use Watson Studio to build and deploy machine learning models. In the Watson Studio we have a pipeline where different algorithms are tested, and it also contains a leaderboard which ranks these algorithms based on their accuracy, which allows us to select the best performing model. Then, before generating a model, we first collect the clean data set to ensure accuracy. So one of the column of the data sets presents the outcome, which we use a prediction. So the clean data sets is nothing but this thing. This is first processed, then we will come to this. Then in the deployment phase, we once the model is trained, we generate an API key, which we have to put in here and a public endpoint. So these credentials allow us to access the model by server.js, enabling integration with applications that require predictions. So here we could see our cloud page. Here there's the IBM Watson Studio. Then which here is the what prompt. Then this is the improving data analysis, a page which we have created using cloud. Then I would like to conclude by saying that this is a easy project, and then how do we create how would it be helpful? So users uploads a CRM CSV file via the dashboard, that is index.html. Then the backend server.js processes the file, cleans the data, and calls IBM Watson for predictions. Results are displayed in the dashboard, highlights the flag data points and visuals that we can see in here. This is what then users can download the cleaned and analyzed data sets. So that's it with this project. Thank you.